Google introduced video call chat on email account that is called Meet. With this Meet, you can be able to chat with somebody using the video call. And in this video, guys, I will guide you on how to enable this button and disable it on your email address. Tap on the email app on your device. Tap on the trailer on top of the screen here. Scroll down to the settings button. Tap on it. Now tap on the Meet button here under apps in Gmail. Now you have this option that comes up. Show the Meet tab for video calling. Then leave empty call. So to disable and enable these settings, so you want to disable it now, tap on this button. Then you will be returned to the inbox where you made these settings. Tap on to toggle it off. Now you've toggled it off. To toggle it on again, tap on the settings three line again, tap on settings, then tap on Meet again, then tap on Meet button to toggle it on. Now you will take it to this place again, tap on it again, then tap on settings, then tap on Meet again. You see that you've enabled this. So that's the simple guys on how to enable and disable Meet on Gmail account. If you enjoyed this, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.